Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno phone guys. What is tapping wake and how to on Tecno mobile and how to use it. Friends, you don't know about your tapping wake settings, so how to use tapping wake on Tecno mobile. In this video we will talk about one by one, step by step. So first of all friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Tecno mobile. Friends, click on Tecno Mobile Special Function Setting. Then friends, click here Micro Setting, Quick Start. Friends, you can see Quick Start. Friends, you want to on. So friends, when your screen is off, friends, if you draw C, so camera will on automatic. If you draw M, so guys, music will on automatic. So friends, we'll click here tapping wake setting, and friends we will on tapping wake. So friends, on your home screen blank area, if you double tap, so automatic your phone screen will off. And guys, on lock screen, if you double tap, your phone screen will on automatic. Friends, you can see double tap here, phone screen will off. Double tap here, phone screen will on automatic on device. So friends, you cannot use your power button direct. Friends, double tap lock screen, double tap wake screen. So friends, you want to on your tapping wake setting, you can on your tapping wake. And friends, you don't want to use your tapping wake setting, so friends click here and you can off. After off friends, you can double tap, 3 tap, 4 tap, 5 tap, screen will not off. And friends, you can see screen will not on automatic on Tecno mobile. So like that friends, you want to use your Tecno mobile double tap setting, double tap to turn off screen and double tap to wake screen setting. You can on and you can off your Tecno mobile screen with double tap, and you can unlock your phone with double tap. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use tapping wake setting. So bye friends.